Dear students, today we will learn how to estimate the difference. We have already learned estimation in addition. We have to apply the same rule and find out the estimated difference. So let us quickly revise the rules of estimation from the addition chapter. Here we are back to chapter 3, addition, the rules of estimation. Children, if we are told to round off to the nearest thousands, what does the rule say? To round off a number to the thousands place, check the digit at hundreds place. If it is, that is, if the digit at hundreds place is greater than or equal to 5, increase the thousand digit by 1. Otherwise, it remains the same. Okay? And we increase the digit at thousands place by 1 and change every other number to zeros. So here, when we are rounding off 13,880 to the nearest thousands, the digit at hundreds place is 8, right? Which is more than 5. So the digit at the thousands place 3 will be increased to 1 more. That is, it becomes 14,000 and the other digits are changed to 0. So here the first example is find the actual and estimated difference of 32,212 and 17,906 by rounding off to the nearest thousands and compare. Here we have placed the numbers for subtraction. The minuend is on the top. We have to round off to the nearest thousands, right? I have written the place values here. Ones, tens, 100,000. For thousands, if you remember, we have to check the digit at the hundreds place. Here, the digit at hundreds place is 2, which is, you know that 2 is less than 5. So, this number, that is the digit at the thousands place, will remain same. So 32,212 when rounded off to the nearest thousand is 32 thousands. Now let's check the subtrahend. Here also we have to round off to the nearest thousands. So for thousands we have to check the digits at the hundreds place. Here it is 9. We know that 9 is greater than 5. So what do? We increase the number, that is, we increase the digit at the thousands place by 1, that is, we plus 1. So 17,906 becomes 18,000, that is, we have increased the digit at thousands place by 1. 7 becomes 8. Now we have the actual difference and the estimated difference. So when we compare the estimated difference, which is 14,000, it is very near to the actual difference, which is 14,306. In this way, you have to find out the estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest thousands or 10,000. Let us proceed to exercise 4.4, estimating the difference. The first question is, find the actual and estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest thousands. As I explained to you earlier, for rounding off to the nearest thousands, we have to check the digit at the hundreds place. So here, the digits that we have here are 8 and 2. The number is 5,819. 8 we know is greater than 5. Okay. So, the digit at thousands place will be increased by 1. So 5,819 is rounded off to the nearest thousands as 6,000. Let us take the subtrahend. 3,295. For thousands, we check the digit at hundreds place. It is 2. 2 is less than 5. Okay. So what will happen with this digit at the thousands place? It will remain unchanged. Okay. So 3,295 is rounded off to the nearest thousands as 3 thousands. So we here have the actual difference, which is 2524, and the estimated difference between 6000 and 3000, which is 3000. You can see when we compare, these are very close to each other. Now let us look at another example. Here the minuend is 16,119. Subtrahend is 2,979. So to round off to the nearest thousands, we check the digit at the hundreds place. Here it is 1. 1 we know is less than 5. Okay. So what will happen? 6 will remain unchanged. Okay. So 16,190 is rounded off to the nearest thousands as 16,000 only. Coming to the subtrahend, for thousands we check the digit at the hundreds place. Here it is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So the digit at the thousands place will be increased by 1. So 2 becomes 3. So it is rounded off to the nearest thousands as 3000. So the actual difference after subtraction is 13,211. The estimated difference after subtraction, that is from 16,000 we subtract 3,000. The answer that we get is 13,000. They are very close to each other. Similarly, when we are rounding off to the nearest 10,000s, we have to check the digit at the thousands place. Here the minuend is 39,506. The digit at the thousands place is 9. Okay. So 9 we know is greater than 5. So the digit at the 10,000s place 3 will be increased by 1. It becomes 4. So 39,506 is rounded off to 40,000. Now the subtrahend is 22,918. So for 10,000s we check the digit at the thousands place. Here it is 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So the digit at the 10,000s remains unchanged. So it will be 20,000. So the actual difference is 16,388 and the estimated difference is 20,000, which are quite close to each other.